1. Sushi, a traditional Japanese dish consisting of vinegared rice combined with various ingredients such as raw fish, vegetables, and seaweed. 2. Nigiri sushi, hand-pressed sushi rice topped with a slice of raw or cooked fish, often brushed with soy sauce or wasabi. 3. Sashimi, thinly sliced raw fish served without rice, emphasizing the freshness and natural flavor of the seafood. 4. Maki sushi, sushi rice and fillings rolled inside seaweed, nori, and sliced into bite-sized pieces. 5. Uramaki, inside-out sushi roll where rice is on the outside and seaweed wraps the filling inside. 6. Tamaki, hand-rolled cone-shaped sushi wrapped in seaweed and filled with rice, fish, and vegetables. 7. Karashi sushi, a bowl of sushi rice topped with assorted sashimi and garnishes, offering a colorful presentation. 8. Inari sushi, sushi rice stuffed inside sweet fried tofu pockets called inari age. 9. California roll, a popular Western-style sushi roll filled with crab, avocado, and cucumber, often using imitation crab. 10. Spicy tuna roll, sushi roll made with spicy tuna mix, often combined with cucumber or avocado for balance. 11. Dragon roll, a decorative sushi roll featuring eel, avocado, and shrimp, shaped to resemble a dragon. 12. Rainbow roll, a colorful sushi roll topped with assorted slices of raw fish in different colors. 13. Vegetarian sushi, sushi made without seafood, using ingredients like cucumber, avocado, carrots, and pickled vegetables. 14. Ebi sushi, nigiri sushi topped with cooked shrimp, often lightly sweet and tender in texture. 15. Onagi sushi, sushi made with grilled freshwater eel glazed with a sweet soy-based sauce. 16. Tamago sushi, nigiri topped with a sweet Japanese omelet made from layered eggs. 17. Wasabi, a spicy green paste served with sushi to enhance flavor and add heat. 18. Soy sauce, a salty fermented condiment used for dipping sushi to enhance umami taste. 19. Pickled ginger, thin slices of ginger served with sushi to cleanse the palate between different types. 20. Nori, dried seaweed sheets used to wrap sushi rolls and add a slightly salty ocean flavor. 21. Sushi rice, short grain rice seasoned with vinegar, sugar, and salt, forming the base of most sushi dishes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.